In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DJI RC controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Resetting a controller from DJI is super simple. To do this, you need to access the settings inside of the controller interface. So if needed, charge the controller until you can access the screen here. Now go into the settings. So swipe down, usually from the top right corner of the screen. You will see this menu, and to go into the setting, tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on this will take you to the settings page of your DJI device. In here, you will have plenty of categories. The one that you are looking for is going to be system, language, date and time, and of course what we're looking for, specifically reset. So choose this option. Under the reset options on the system category, you will find erase all data. So if you want to reset Wi-Fi, mobile, or Bluetooth, or specific apps preferences, then choose either of these options at the top. But if you want to erase everything, aka a factory reset, as if it was brand new, choose the option at the bottom. Tapping on any of these will give you a summary of what this is going to do. So if you choose the factory reset one, which is the focus of this video, this is what you will see. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, of course phone in this case being the DJI device, including Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if needed, be sure to back up anything that you have on this RC controller. If you are okay with erasing all this data, just tap on this icon here to confirm and wait for the process to be finished. Once you power the RC controller on once more, you will have to go through the setup process, like choosing a language, setting up a Wi-Fi network, downloading the necessary updates, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.